here at the local. Going to do a few trails today. Just have a quick spin on the bike. Hopefully going to hit the wall drop. I've not done for a while. Basically because last time I did that I broke my finger and my toe, so I've been kind of putting it off, but decided today going to give it a go. It's a bit damp in there, but usually trails run okay, so we should be fine. We've got the bike here all ready to rip, so hopefully should be all right. As you can see up in the woods, it's a bit damp, but we'll give it a go, see how we get on. We're on top of the hill. For those of you who are interested, I'll just give you a quick bike check. So here it is. It is a 2021 Stumpjumper EVO, size S4. Got a few extra little bits on that I put on. It's got the AXS 12-speed scram, not standard. It's set up as a mullet. Just tried it really, quite like that. It's got Zebs on up front, currently 170, and that's the reason for that is because that's how I bought them, to be honest. It's got Super Deluxe on the rear with Meg Neg on it, which I'm quite liking, a lot better than the Fox that it came on. And then just some other little trick bits here and there, keep it going, keep it sweet. Got the one-up bars, gotta say, I absolutely love them. Had the Renfalls before, which were nice, but felt a bit stiff, but these things, yeah, can't rate them high enough. They are great stuff. And for the keen-eyed amongst you, got a brand new Schwalbe Big Betty on the back. Gonna see how that goes today. It's very damp. I'm thinking the trails will be alright, but the run-ins might be a bit wet, so we'll have a look and see. It's a wet one. Take it easy on this first time down. It's going to be slippy going in. Oh, probably can't hear me. This line, I think, today. Hope there's no trees down. See what else is new in here. Definitely damp. That's new. That's new. Whee! That's not new. Why? Not too bad. Right, another trail, dirt bag. This is squirmy. Scheiße. Oh, it's wet. You alright? Oh, that one was sleepy. There we had it. Wall drop done twice. I'll just go and have a little play again now. But yeah, that's it. I managed to get full of dirt along with the bike. Looking sweet. And we are looking great. So I'll sign out after this one. See you later.